and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Octavia.Darling, and we're back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be doing a loc detox for the first time ever in my entire loc journey, which is now 2 years and 8 months, and I've decided that now is the time that I want to start doing loc detoxes on my hair to make sure that my hair is stripped from all dirt, negative energy, everything that shouldn't be in my locks. I want it out. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video today, and I'm going to show you step by step how I prepare for it, and also I am going to share with you what I use to get this done. Now, you may have come across a few videos on YouTube with different loc queens and kings who does loc detoxes. I just want to show you my version and how you can do it yourself. So we're going to learn together and we're going to see how this turns out, but I do have high hope. Before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, also share this video out. Make sure you all are following me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook. On all of them, just search Octavia.Darling, and I'm sure that I will pop up. Let's hop into this video. Okay, so I ordered this deluxe inflatable hair washing basin from Amazon. This is built in with a pillow for supreme neck support, so you can use this to do your loc detox. I've seen a lot of people use this, so I figured I needed to cop me one. And if you want to get the same thing, you can click on the link in the description box below. Visit my Amazon store. I have it listed there. This inflatable hair washing basin by Circle Air is designed to provide a comfortable and convenient hair washing experience for individuals lying down. So when I do this, I'm going to be most likely lying down on the floor relaxing as my hair is detoxing. So a few things that it features a double layer tubing design to prevent any spillage, no mess drainage hole with plug and attached pipe, a 47-inch drainage hose, extra long to reach your wastewater collection bucket with ease, and also the basin deflates compactly flat and can be folded and packed away when it's not in use, which is really good. So I'm about to unbox this now. I got the gray one, so this is how it comes in this package here. So when you unfold it, this is the drainage tube, and this is how big it looks with it deflated. So on the back, it has this part that you can connect the drainage tube to, and also these parts for you to blow it up with air. I'm going to be using 3 cups of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You might have these 3 items in your kitchen. Just grab them, you can use that. I'm also going to boil some hot water and pour it in the basin once it's inflated, and I'm going to add some cool water just to kind of level it out. But I do want the water to be quite warm when I do the detox so that I can make sure that it is stripping my hair of all the impurities. Alright, so right now what I'm trying to do is inflate this water basin by blowing my own air into it. And I mean, I was using all of my strength to do so, but it really wasn't doing anything at all. So I had to figure out what would work best at this time, because I didn't want to be sitting here for hours trying to get this done. So what came to mind was a balloon pump. Yes, that is correct. I went ahead and plopped that thing on top of there. And as you can see, it's pumping it very quickly. They should probably actually consider like including a pump. That might be very, very useful for their customers. But
Anyways, it inflated it very quickly, and I started to add the boiled water into the basin. I had to boil some water a few times, just to make sure that I had enough of it to cover the bottom at least. And so then I also added a few cups of cool water to make sure that the water ended up being nice and warm and not too hot, since I was going to be submerged in the water for about 15 minutes. So now I am starting to add the apple cider vinegar. Remember, I said you're going to add 3 cups of apple cider vinegar into the basin, and I ended up doing that. And I just basically finished the bottle, to be honest, because the measuring cup only goes up to 2 cups. So I was like, let me just finish this out. And then I followed up with half a cup of baking soda. As you can see, it's fizzing up rather quickly. I don't know, this part really did excite me, but you can't hear my excitement. And then I ended it with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. As you can see, I'm just eyeing it, just like it is when I'm cooking. But I set a timer for 15 minutes. Now y'all see I'm sitting there with my hair submerged into the basin, and throughout that time I just scooped up some of the mixture and just made sure that I poured it all across my head to make sure that the front of my hair was also receiving the detox, and it wasn't just the middle and the back of my hair that was doing that. And now after 15 minutes, I'm trying to get out of this thing. Y'all gonna see me struggle a little bit because I was like, wait, how do I get up without it just dripping all over the place from my hair? And so I had some assistance to help pull your girl up because it just wasn't working on my own. But this is how the basin looked once I was done. As you can see, it's a little black, and that's mainly because of the black hair color that I have. But yeah, it looks pretty good and nasty, right?
Okay, darlings, I'm back from washing my hair. This was a very cool first experience doing a Loc detox. I can't even lie, my hair feels lighter. I followed up with Loc'licious clarifying shampoo. Right now, this is what my hair is looking like for the most part, freshly washed. After following up with the shampoo, I feel like my hair is really nice and clean. I don't see like any residue or anything left in my hair. What I'm about to do right now is just moisturize it, since the detox stripped away like all the oils and stuff from my hair. I want to make sure that I replenish and moisturize so that it can stay hydrated. I want you all to chime in. Tell me your thoughts. Have you ever done a Loc detox before? Comment that down below. What was your experience like? I would love to know. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Overall, I'm going to rate this experience a 9 out of 10, and that's only because I did not inflate the basin completely. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do what? Turn on post notifications. Share this video with someone who is thinking about doing a Loc detox. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook. Search Octavia.Darling. I'm sure that I will pop up. I appreciate your support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.